Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm your boy Nev from Nev's Tech, but today I want to talk about screen protectors. If you don't have a case on your cell phone, you gotta have a screen protector. And there's different kinds you can get. Some people don't like screen protectors because they're cheap and trashy, but if you get a cheap and trashy screen protector, then you're going to probably have a bit of a bad time. Now, the reason why it's good to have a screen protector on your phone if you don't have a case is to take care of the impact. I mean, if you're in a place where you get hurricanes and storms much, you see people taping up their windows, and this is more or less the same thing. It gives your cell phone more integrity. And if you're the type of person that doesn't care about that type of thing, then you're probably not the one paying for your cell phone, or you got so much money that I don't even know why you're watching this video. So of course we got two main types of protector. This looks like a good brand actually. We spent a lot of good money on it a while ago. And we usually get about everything we need in here, right? We get our screen protectors. These are the floppy ones, plasticky. And of course we get all this fun stuff. The thank you note, the dust removal, all the good stuff. And you definitely need some of this. And over here I have from the Dollar Tree a tempered glass screen protector. So you know what, I think I actually paid less for this tempered glass screen protector than I did for the plastic one. Now you should know that when you go to the electronics stores, things like cables and screen protectors and and cases for your phones are things they make a lot of money on. Like a lot of money on. Okay, here we go. I don't even know what this thing is or why that's in there. I got another plastic one in there somehow. What? Where'd that come from? Maybe I just packed it in there so it would be safe. Anyways, here we have the plexiglass. So first off, I am going to try out. I'm going to clean this unit off because we always got, look at that. You get it in the right light and yuck, right? Now the plastic ones are known for carrying more of that yuck over. So let me get this taken care of. What you want to do is make sure you don't have any sand on there to begin with, because if you do this when you got sand or anything little on it, you're going to be moving it back and forth. You're going to be scratching lots of stuff. No one's going to be happy, and you're going to have to get your sugar daddy to get you another one. Let's face it. It's so easy to get little scratches on it too. Louis Rossman says most of these things that we see aren't actually scratches but micro fractures. I don't like the sound of that. So once again, make sure you get it all cleaned up as much as you can. It's interesting how easy it can be to get this stuff scratched up. And of course, get it out of your case. Get it out of your case. I definitely recommend you have a case. But if you're using one, get out of the case. Clean it up as much as freaking possible. But it seems like with the plastic ones, I can never get them on without getting a piece of dust or something in them. So use this tab, covering the screen protector. Finish, start, okay. It doesn't matter how good I do with this. I can be wearing a hairnet in a clean room, and I will still get a piece of dust on here or something. So it's definitely best to get, like if you're going to be getting one, get like a 3-pack, because the first one seems to clean it off a little bit. So you need to align the speaker. Oh, you need to align the button. See, look at all those frickin' dust specks I got. All those frickin' dust specks. Always dust specks, right? Look at that. I always get frickin' dust specks. But the thing about the tempered glass is even if you have dust specks, you need to have a really frickin' big dust speck before it will before it will mess this thing up, I should say. Please peel this mask off before application. Okay, so I gotta be real careful. I gotta make sure I align both sides before I lay it down. That's about good enough. And it'll lay down. And I bet there's still dust under here. I bet if I put another plastic screen protector on, I would still get dust under here. But just like that, let me turn it off. This is why you should shower before you make a video. Look at my hair. No, it doesn't look as bad as it did when I first woke up. But yeah, you don't get the dust specks, or at least it fights the dust specks. So if you're going out and if you're getting a phone, if you're going out and you're getting a screen protector and you don't care too much about dust specks, get the plastic ones all day long. But the tempered glass ones, you can get at the Dollar Tree. If you can get it at the Dollar Tree, I'm sure you can get it at the Dollar General, the Dollar whatever. If you have a cracked screen, I would definitely recommend getting a tempered glass top for it. and it might take you a few tries. You might want to get 2 of them, or get someone to do it that is really good at it. My wife is so good at this. My wife is so good at this. She has like a magic ability to get the plastic ones on without a problem. Can you believe that? I cannot believe that. I don't know how she does it. She's just this magic pirate or something like that. I don't know. But tempered glass all the way from the dollar store. It's fine. Use it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciated. And as always, ladies and gentlemen, take care of each other. Don't be hurting each other. Don't be scamming each other. This is a long road alone. We got to get through it together.